Hi guys, welcome everybody. This is an overview of coding fundamentals for AI users by Cybrek. The idea behind this course is to teach anyone who has no previous experience or familiarity with programming languages and IT how to use AI assistants to generate build code. I'm going to start with teaching you the fundamentals, the fundamental programming concepts, so you know what is a programming language, how computers process instructions, what is source code, what are the different programming languages, what are the main differences between them, and more importantly, what are the different building blocks that apply to pretty much any of the modern programming languages. This is going to be part one, where we will take a look at the concepts. And then in the second portion, I'm going to put all those pieces together. We will take a look at a longer example. I'm going to give you some general guidelines as how to work with AI assistants to produce, improve, modify, troubleshoot, and refactor a code, so you know how to go through the process on your own. That's pretty much it for this brief overview. I hope you guys join me in this series, and let's start coding with AI assistants.